So I had the problem myself that my Duolingo app that it actually kept freezing on me, but I have actually found one way to fix it. So basically what I did myself was that I firstly closed my Duolingo app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page what I did was that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general, as you can see. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down in here once again and I clicked on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what I did on this page was that I scrolled up in here and then I clicked on the search bar up top and then I search for Duolingo. And then what I did in here was that I clicked on upload app and once again I clicked on upload app in here. And I just waited a couple of seconds in here and then I clicked on the reinstall app button. So basically what you need to do now is very simple. You need to wait for your Duolingo app to completely update to the latest version, because by doing this you're going to force your Duolingo app to update. So I did this myself and I waited a couple of minutes, or maybe it's a couple of seconds also. It is quite fast now, as you can see actually. So just wait for it to completely update, then go back into your app and hopefully now it's not freezing for you.